remembers this Hoover? It's called a Constellation vacuum cleaner made by Hoover. That's the name of it, Constellation. It's actually made in 1954. It's really amazing to think that we were going this way, and in the 1950s they could get Hoovers to do this, and then they create what we've got now, when this Hoover actually looks quite good. But 1950 it was made. I just saw it on something and I thought, oh, I've got to make a video on this, because obviously it's very interesting to think that we were going this way and then we went a completely different way. But anyway, does everybody remember this Hoover? I'm going to play this little video so you can see.
Floats. The Hoover Constellation floats on air, floats on its own cushion of air, floats with you through housework.
Yes, the Hoover Constellation floats. It doesn't just slide. There. Just as it floats over the table, so it floats through your housework. A gentle pull, and it follows in your footsteps for perfect all-round-the-house cleaning. So if you want to float through housework, get the fabulous Hoover Constellation.